It's the reality of the things that we make here that are still here that most people don't know about. You know, if we'll take a plant tour, you know, we'll do this with our delegates from the state to see what's going on and keep them abreast and attuned on helping with legislation. But, you know, we'll go to a small little plating company in Waterbury, and it will be one part that's made only here in Connecticut throughout the whole world that's on a engine of a, you know, Boeing aircraft. So it's something like that to the real high-tech and really cool things that are happening in Industry 4.0 that are really state-of-the-art. So this mix between the small and the large and what we're doing is really important stuff. The history of it, you know, watching what we've become after the Industrial Revolution and seeing how Waterbury started and different pockets in the valley and what's made in New Britain. It's really interesting, more interesting to me than accounting was.